up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Here with another ride-along. We got an easy one today. You know what? Last couple of weeks I've been running into these jobs and been pretty tough, you know. But it's good because you test your chemistry, and it's good to test your chemistry, you know. And the times are a little slow for me, but it's not like dire straits slow or anything like that, but I know the busy season is coming up on me, so I'm enjoying the little bit of the rest here. And, just dialing in your chemistries, getting your equipment ready. I do got a couple other products that I ordered. Some pet stain odor removal products. I think it's really, for the buck, really going to save me a lot of money. And if it works out fine, I'll keep it. I'll keep using it. I'll let you guys know. I don't want to just pass things on without actually trying them and seeing what the results are and stuff. So definitely I'll keep posted on that. But other than that, just regular little wear patterns. This carpet's only about 6 months old, so we're doing those stairs. And there's a room downstairs also. I'll be doing this room. It's really nothing much here. I won't be doing much pre-agitation, and if I do, that's it, guys. See, I see a little area here. Once I pre-spray, I'll just kind of hit it like that and move on. Right here's the only area that looks like it's got soil. So you got that traffic area right there. Property owner was concerned about that, and so I want to make sure I get that looking all nice and uniform. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray, and I think it'd be really too exciting before and afters or anything like that. But hey, if you're just getting into the business, you probably just want to see the process and oh, see, there's another little spot there. Ooh, all right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Alright, I think I forgot to tell you, I already did do a vacuum. Just gonna go around these curtains. Then I'll go back over there and kind of lift them up and do them one by one underneath it. With my other hand's holding the camera. So I got a call today by a subscriber. I was looking to get into business and later this summer. I was wondering if I do ride-alongs, because he's seen me do one ride-along. So right now I'm not doing ride-alongs, but possibly in the summertime when everything cools down and all the stuff that's going on, I might start doing ride-alongs. You know, because a lot of people, you know, see my videos and all that stuff, but they just want to get hands-on experience. I understand it. I understand it. But really, guys, if you watch my videos, I mean, other than just putting your hands on the tools, I mean, it's good schooling. Trying to get underneath here. And then once you get your own equipment, you just practice. Practice on your house, practice on your friend's house, you know. Family's house. Get in their good graces. In-laws. Get in their good graces. Alright. Alright, I'm going to finish pre-spraying the rest of this stairs in the room downstairs. You saw Mighty Mouse for this area here. Just gonna get this traffic area right here. No need to lug up the CRB multi-wash in my case. And just this I'm not sure. I don't think that's a soil. I think this is just a mark where a chair was, but just in case. Spot. It'll probably come up with just one in it, but you know, it's just to be sure. So you can have a quick clean without having to stop and scrub things. Just kind of go through before you start extracting. Hit all these spots. It just makes life a lot easier, quicker. So this is through a property management. They've used me before. They actually used me for this place over there. It was really, really super bad condition. And they liked my work, so they called me for this one, and luckily it isn't in the same condition. But my point being said, it's the property management, and a lot of property management require hot water extraction. So if you guys are just getting into the business and thinking you can go VLM or trying to figure it out, I still suggest, if you're on the limited budget, to go ahead and go with the VLM and then work your way up. But just realize property management, you may have that issue. A lot of times, trying to go for the property managers right away anyway is not really a good thing, because sometimes you're going to get really bad carpets, and they don't want to pay as much sometimes. So VLM, beware of property management, or if you're doing a rental property for apartments or whatever, a lot of times they require hot water extraction or steam cleaning. A lot of times you can just go in there and do your cleaning and they'll never know anyway. But, you know, just heads up. Alright guys, all finished up. Carpet looks great. That area they were concerned about looks like it's good now. Go through here and turn off all the lights. Get my stuff. Not forgetting things is half the job. Alright, so this was the easy one, guys. So keep this in mind. You're first just starting out in the business. You got your first 2-3 jobs, and they seem to be a pain in the butt. You're thinking, man, damn, this sucks. I don't know if I want to keep doing this. Stick with it, guys, because it all balances out. So those are the stairs going downstairs. I finished up, worked my way out. And yeah, so it all balances out. You're gonna notice you're gonna have a couple hard jobs, then you're gonna have a couple really easy jobs. So they're gonna get done a lot quicker, and just gonna be easier days. Then you're gonna have tough jobs. Sometimes I wish I had a few more. I'm not gonna say, I'm bringing a law of attraction on me right now if I say more really bad jobs. Only because I like to challenge myself. And I also like to show some good before and afters. I haven't been recording too much lately because all my jobs have been kind of like this in this week. And last week I had some tough ones. But like I said, you know, it always balances out. So keep your pricing right, and you're still going to end up averaging out to at your minimum of 100 per hour. I know people say, "Oh, why do you say per hour? You got to put in driving time and all that stuff." Well, for me, I don't have to drive far. I only work within a 20-minute radius, if anything. And another thing, when you work for somebody else, do you get paid for driving to the job every day? No, you get paid as soon as you clock in. So as soon as I walk in the house is when my time starts. Now, if I'm working out of my location farther out, then I do add travel time. So if I end up driving 40 minutes out, I do add travel time. So as if I was actually working. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it. I know not too much action on carpet cleaning, but hopefully a little bit of game in the carpet cleaning game. All right. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next one.